Hello, welcome to the video. Please do a like, comment down below, subscribe, and press the bell. Today, we will be trying different tortures on Tung and Gore Lab Assistant. So, Tung let's just give Tung sorry about, oh, holy crap. Wait, how do you get an extra eye right there? I don't know. We're just gonna have to, let's just put him like that. Yeah, we'll just put him like that. Okay, there we go. His eye is pretty much out. Ooh. Bro, what the heck is it? God, who the heck is he now? And now we got the original Frank. But before we torture the original Frank, let's go ahead. Oh my god. Look at how realistic that game is. I can literally see his body parts. And his brain. Bro, let me see that. Yo, I can see his heart beating. Okay, this game is too weird. What happens if I separate their brains? I just broke his skull. Oh, come on. Okay. Will he act like Tung if I put it in his brain? If I put a different brain in him? I don't know. Well, problem is they don't have a brain. So let's go ahead and put Tung in the meat grinder. Come on, Tung You're going in. Come on. Come on. Darn. Hey, come on, piggyback. Get in there. I called Tung a biggie. I wonder what he's gonna do about it now. I have to throw him in there. You did so much. You're not. Oh, you're dangerous to society. I think it. Yikes. This mimics human anatomy. Bro, look at that. What is he doing? Alright, who else? Okay, we might have to spawn another Frank. He's just done for. Okay, now let's put some test labs on Frank, maybe? Do some test labs. I don't know how my hand tears through his head so easily. But I know that for a fact that doesn't happen in real life. She's just getting torn. I need him. I need to grab him. So we test him. He lost his arm. Frank, you're going in. Oh, come on. Come on, Frank. Oh, 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 oh. All right. Well, Frank pretty much got thrown. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab this. We might have to finish him. What the heck is going on with this? Okay, guys, well, this will be the end of today's video. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and press the bell. Bye.